Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Sarthak, a 21-year-old business administration graduate. Well, about to become one in a month's time. I'm trying to work my way in the stock market since 2017 probably. Yeah, so this channel is basically everything related to the financial markets. Analyzation of companies, technical analysis, and fundamental analysis, of course, results, and much more. Stay tuned. So, the company we are going to talk about today is Astral Polytechnique. Well, you must have seen the pipes in your homes. They must be of Astral or probably Supreme. Astral is the market leader. Astral Polytechnique is engaged in the production of plastic products. The company and its subsidiaries are engaged in the business of manufacturing and trading of pipes, fittings, and adhesive solutions. Probably this is the only company giving competition to Pidilite in adhesives, of course. And your eyes must be on this headline: Astral Polytechnique share turned rupees 1 lakh into 81 lakhs in 10 years' time. So, if you trust me, if you put 1 lakh today, this will again show the performance it has already shown in the past. Well, if you trust me. Okay, let's see what we have here. Share price quoting at 962 rupees, up 3% today. Let's see the fundamentals, of course. Market cap is 14,506 crores, and EPS consolidated basis is 16, which is 58 times its earnings. That is pretty much expensive if we see the industry PE, and it is trading at a expensive valuation. The book value is also pretty high in my opinion, but the thing is, this is a growth stock. आज इतना है, कल इसका डबल हो जाएगा, फिर भी हम यही देखते रहेंगे कि पी सस्ता था कि महंगा था. Okay, the 52-week low is 745, which was, I think, 3 months back, probably 2. Yeah, 2 months back, double bottom you can see, yeah, 745. And the 52-week high is 1367, which is probably about 30% from here as well. Okay, let's see the results. March quarter May, it showed about 620, a decline of about 3 or 4%. A decline, yeah, about 3 or 4%. 628 crores. Let's see the profit after tax. 52 CR, not bad. EPS was also down, but it's fine. Yeah. Let's see the balance sheet. Shareholders funds 1500 crore, good enough. Let's see if it has liabilities. Long-term borrowings 106 crores against 1500 crore. I don't think it's much. Low debt है, debt थोड़ा सा तो है, but people say they prefer no debt companies. But even Hindustan Unilever has a bit of debt, I think. Long-term borrowings are at 106 crores. Not much, I think. Yeah. Let's see profit and loss statement. 2019 में 2500 करोड़ and March 2020 में 2590 करोड़. Not bad. Growth है थोड़ी सी. But if you see इससे पहले वाले years, the growth was pretty hefty, I would say. 1680 CR and 2590 CR, you can see, yeah. Profit and loss from continuing operations 251 CR against 200 CR. Let's see earning per share. 16 रुपए की थी, 16 रुपए अभी भी है, which says it's pretty good. Profit and loss for the period 200 crores in 2019, 251 crores in 2020. Yeah. Let's see the dividend yield. Oh, yeah. 0.1%. That's not what I like about this company. But growth stock है, dividend देगा तो ज़्यादा बढ़ नहीं पाएगा. But अगर 0.1% भी दे रहा है, consider it a bonus, I think. टिकर टेप पे देखते हैं कैसा है. You can see the maximum chart pattern. 2007 में it was trading at about 7 or 8 rupees. 7 और 8 रुपये से 960 हो गया आज. And it has given about 11,324% returns. That is 1 rupees turned into 1133 rupees. Let's see the 5 years chart. 5 साल में 213%, not bad. 1 साल में नेगेटिव, बट सीइंग द मार्केट दीज डेज थोड़ा चॉपी तो है ही. 1 month 14%. Okay, I'd not go further. Current price is more than the intrinsic value. It has to be. Growth stock है plus multi-bagger. Stock has been generating better return on equity than bank FD, of course. We can see it. Dividend return, stock doesn't offer attractive dividend yield. Okay, accepted. Good time to consider as stock is not in overbought zone. I would say it is a bit expensive, but अच्छी चीज़ हमेशा महंगी मिलती है. Let's compare it with its peers. Finolex Pipe, Ratnamani and APL Apollo. Well, सबसे महंगा तो एस्ट्रल ही है, बट आप रिटर्न्स भी देख सकते हैं. The financial trend is upwards. Yes, you can see revenue, profit सब में growth है. And 4 सालों में इसने अपनी profitability almost double कर ली है. Let's see it on the charts. This is a 1 month candle. You can see the strong uptrend. 10-12 रुपए का स्टॉक आज. It is trading at about 960 rupees. Well above its 20-month average, 50-month average. Let's see the 1-day chart. After the fall of the market during the COVID crisis, it went up to about 750 rupees. So yeah, good going from there. It is trading at 962 today. The Bollinger Band is also saying it is in a good uptrend. MACD line is also not crossed, trading at a good angle, and money flow is 70. RSI is about 63. So yeah, it is a strong stock right now. Volumes are also good. You can see the spike here. यहीं से ही बढ़ना शुरू हुआ था. 870 से 950 in a few days time. Let's do a technical analysis on this. Let's see where the support is, where the resistance is. I see a bit of resistance here around 970 levels. Let's see the support. Support looks good here. 850. Yes, 850. So if you are considering to invest in this stock, I would say don't buy अभी थोड़ा सा high valuations पे trade कर रहा है. I think you can wait for this level, probably 900 to 925, or maybe let's say 900 to 950. I would say best is to invest in the SIP mode, like buy a few stocks every month or every week. Let's see how the trend line goes. Oh god. Trend line is for the shorter term. Long term investors, stay with it. Okay, I see a breakout here today. if it goes above this level 970, we could see around this level. Yeah, we could see this level 1000 plus levels, and there's a small resistance here as well. Okay guys, done for the day. I hope you like this video, and I hope I am of some help to you. As you know, this is my first video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give it a like, please. Thanks. And also please share it with your friends. Thanks.